Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to send HIPAA-compliant text messages using the Doctoc Communication Platform. To begin, you'll need to add the patient's number to whom you want to send the HIPAA-compliant text. Start by navigating to the upper left corner and clicking on New Message. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select the second option, SMS. A small section of the screen will be highlighted, prompting you to enter the patient's phone number, full name, and date of birth. Once you've entered this information, click Create. The patient's number will be added to Doctoc and will appear at the top of the My Messages section. When you need to send HIPAA-compliant information to the patient, click the Secure button. Ensure the button turns green before you start typing your message. After composing your text, click Send. Now let's examine how the patient receives this secure text on their cell phone. The patient will see a message from the clinic. They'll need to tap to load preview, which will direct them to a new page where they must verify their personal information to access the secure message. On this page, the patient will enter their phone number, last name, and date of birth. After clicking Submit, they'll be able to view the HIPAA-compliant text sent by the clinic. Remember, the clinic must click Secure every time they need to send HIPAA-compliant information or text.